morning students, welcome to Vishwak channel. Now we are going to discuss the world during the World War part 2. A part of the world during the World War. Now we discuss the Great Economic Depression. The Great Economic Depression was began around 1929, lasted 1939 till the Second World War was started.
During this decade, the economy declined worldwide because of a decline in demand and fall in prices. Factories were closed because the demand was low. Since the goods were manufactured in limited quantity, the prices increased because of expensive goods. People's purchasing power reduced, so the demand for goods further went down. This cyclical effect caused massive unemployment. The real incomes of ordinary people as well as government across the world also declined. Initially, a stock market collapsed in the US, but very soon it affected almost every country in the world.
Students, now we are going to discuss 4 marks questions are how Hitler became a powerful leader and as well as rise of Nazism and Fascism. Fascism and Nazism, both idealisms were developed and promoted after the First World War, especially in defeated countries.
These idealisms were against communism, liberalism, and also democracy. Fascism and Nazism both were same like two sides of one coin.
Fascism was popularized in Italy by Mussolini, whereas Nazism was popularized in Germany by Hitler.
Fascists and Nazis shared certain common features like worshipping of the state, a devotion to strong leader like a Hitler, and they encouraged military conquest.
Hitler was a powerful speaker. His words, his passion moved toward the people. Students, observe this video. Hitler aggressive speech.
In einer Vereinsrede vom Volk der Brüder zu sprechen, sondern hineinzugehen in das Volk, alle seine Vorurteile allmählich zu überwinden, um dann zu helfen und immer wieder zu helfen. Wenn dieses Volk und dieses Deutschland je zugrunde ginge, was würde dann der einzelne Mensch sein? Was würde er dann auf dieser Welt noch zu bedeuten haben?
Hitler promised employment for those looking for work and secure future for the youth. He promised to remove all foreign influences and fight all foreign conspiracies against Germany.
The German people impressed and impacted and influenced and colonized by the Hitler speech.
On 3rd March 1933, the famous Enabling Act was passed. This act established dictatorship in Germany. Now Hitler became a powerful leader to Germany.
My dear students, we shall discuss another 4 marks question is what were the causes and reasons to the Second World War? Which causes were reasons to First World War like aggressive nationalism, militarism, imperialism, Balkan politics and secret alliances. These were also reasons and causes for Second World War also. Students, we know that this topic had already been discussed in part 1. Another reasons for Second World War are another cause was to Second World War was the failure of League of Nations. Actually, the League of Nations was established and founded by the help of Woodrow Wilson, who was the president of USA.
But US Parliament refused to join the member of League of Nations. This was the one of the causes to Second World War.
Let us start with Treaty of Versailles and intensity of terms.
Students, we know that after the First World War, the biggest conference was held at Versailles in Paris 1919. It was attended by delegations from 32 nations that covered 3/4 of the population of the world. Powerful nations like US, UK, Japan, Italy, France participated in this conference. Germany, Russia were not invited to the conference. The Treaty of Versailles imposed many penalties on Germany. So now Germany wanted to take revenge on Allied countries. This was also one of the reasons causes to Second World War.
Let us discuss another reason was to Second World War, the fear of Russia and its socialism. We know that the Great Revolution was occurred in 1917 in Russia.
Russia became socialist state. Now Western powers like Britain, France, US were afraid that similar revolutions would start in other countries of Europe. So they encouraged Hitler come together against USSR. This was the policy of appeasement of Hitler. This was also one of the reasons and causes to Second World War.
The last cause was immediate cause. The immediate provocation of Second World War was Hitler attacked on Poland in 1939 on September 1st.
Poland got help from allied countries like Britain, France, Russia, USA. On the other hand, Germany fought behalf of Axis countries like Italy, Austria, Japan, Hungary. Very soon, all the countries of the world participated in this Holocaust. That's why we called it as World War. This war was unprecedented war. The world had seen never before.
Students, look at this video, devastating of Second World War, how Second World War was going on. Now we are going to discuss the end of the Second World War and consequences of the Second World War, impact of the Second World War.
The initial victories of the German armies could be seen to win, but Germany was defeated by Allied countries. Hitler and his close associates committed suicide to avoid being captured.
One of the Axis countries of Japan attacked on Pearl Harbor in 1941. Total America's Pearl Harbor was devastated and destructed by Japan. So, very next, America also wanted to join into the Holocaust of Second World War. Japan surrendered to the USA after the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki.
USA came up with Marshall Plan to fund the economic revival of defeated countries like Germany and Japan. Many colonies became independent. The World Peace Organization UNO was established. USA and USSR emerged as powerful countries in the world. Nearly 10 million people were killed. Crores of people disappeared and displaced. After long struggle, European women got right to vote. Democratic principles were asserted in the world.
The German Empire too was broken up and replaced by Democratic Republic. My dear students, we have discussed in this lesson what were the causes of world wars, what were the consequences and impacts of world wars, the Great Economic Depression and the Great Socialist Russian Revolution, and the rise of Nazism and Fascism, how Hitler became a powerful leader in greater detail. Thank you.